Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new vlog. In today's video, we're going to be making the 235i super loud. We're going to go get a muffler delete, and we also got some exhaust tips. Let me show y'all in a few. So here goes Thomas 235i. Finally, you ready to get the muffler deleted?
Yeah, man. I want to see how it sounds now.
Alright, let's go show them how it sounds like with the stock mufflers on. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is going to be the stock sound. It's not a cold start, by the way. Not too bad. It's not quiet, but it's not too loud. Give it a couple revs, bro. Nah. Okay guys, so I don't have a lot of times, but here's the exhaust tips. We got two of them. It's Spec D tuning. They got the little rainbow chrome tips. So hopefully this looks nice on the 235i. We're at the shop right now. It looks like they closed, but we're gonna go check, and hopefully it's not. So I'll pick up the vlog if they not closed. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days later after we got the exhaust done, and we didn't know what else to do in the vlog. So today we're gonna hit up Horizon Coffee, and we're just gonna go and, you know, hang out a little bit, a little more excitement for the vlog. And also we're about to show you how the car sounds. It sounds super loud. So Thomas, go ahead and start the car. Alright guys, as you can tell, the car is pretty loud now, so we're about to go head out to the car meet because it starts very soon. It's like an hour away, and we'll pick up the vlog when we're there. See you. Guys, this car is hella beautiful. What do you think, Thomas?
One of my dream cars?
Dang, that looks nice. Perfect drift car right here. What do you think, Thomas, about that M3, bro?
I wish I had it.
Shout out to Wesley Media. He has a badass M3, but damn, these things looks nice. I like how they look stock too. I like these wheels. Alright guys, I'm kind of shy of vlogging in front of people, that's why I'm not recording as much, but this car meet is really good. Rising Coffee is it's hosted by Detail Garage. It's one of those local detailing places at where I live, but it came out pretty nice. I'm over here with the other cars. Another beauty. All these BMWs out here, guys. These things looks beautiful. Even if they stock, I love how they look. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was actually like a little vlog since I didn't work on the E30 today or on any car, but we got the mufflers deleted and we got the exhaust tips. Hopefully you guys can hear the clips, because you know we was riding trying to get like some rolling clips, but the wind was hitting the camera, so we had to record them on the phone. But that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the car meet too we had, and also subscribe if you're new, leave a comment, share the video, and as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.